Hello everyone. We would like to introduce you guys a very practical translation software. First of all, let's open your browser. Enter the Doclingo website exactly into the search bar. Select your documents. After uploaded your documents, AI will automatically detect your original text. Now you only need to choose the language you want to translate to. Click the Translate Documents button. After translated your documents, if you want to download it, you need to register an account. How to download your translated documents? First of all, click your profile. Click the Usage Records button. Click the Download button and you will successfully download it. How to translate scanned documents or images? If you want to translate any images or scanned documents, remember to check the box. But an additional fee is required. Any functions for premium users. Premium users will having a good experience of extremely fast translation. For premium users can enjoy with the ChatGPT and Gemini. Also, we have secure data protection for encryption. Don't worry, your documents information is safe. Whether you're registered users or premium users, Doclingo can meet your translation needs. But for the premium users, undoubtedly it enhances the user experience. Last but not least, there are also a variety of functions for you to choose. It's free download for iOS and Android users. Let's give a try with Doclingo.